In Business Central, we have the ability to store notes, links, and attachments within the fact box. Let's go take a look. In the customer list here, I can see the fact box within the circle within an eye. And next to details, there's a menu item called attachments. You can see here, made available is a section called attachments, links, and notes. Starting at the bottom up, we're going to click notes. Here I can add a note. We also have the ability to use a shortcut key of Alt-O for Oscar. So Alt-O. And that adds the notes into this section. To add a link, same principle, click plus. Here we go, helps if we spell it right. Press OK, and that link is now available to be used. In the same way, I can click Documents. I can see here an example document I've put in here previously, which is an image. In adding a new file, attach files, choose the file, and select the file. The file will be uploaded and stored. Now, from a customer's perspective, we can use this to flow through to sales transactions. I'm going to tick both of those and we'll see what we mean by that. Now, the same example function exists throughout the system. So if I go from here to a sales order, and I go new sales order, you'll notice the fact box is consistent with having the attachment section. Now, attachments, and I can see here that the notes haven't passed, but the attachments have followed the document. So this could be an agreement, this could be a contract, that you can make that flow through. The same section appears on purchasing. So if we go to a purchase order, you'll see the same section here. So regularly throughout Business Central, you're going to see the ability within the fact box to use notes, links, and attachments.